In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo here in Google Slides. So creating a logo here in Google Slides is quite easy. I've created mine right here. It can be a logo, a sticker. It's totally up to you. And I've used a vector image right here in the middle, which I've created also here in Google Slides. Now, if you haven't seen the video, do check it out, how to create vector images here in Google Slides here in the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to start with would be the size of your logo. So my page setup right here is different. It's not your normal size slide. I changed this by going to File, select Page Setup, then go to Custom. Then you can just put in how big or how small you want your logo to be. This can be 4 by 4. If I click on apply, there it is. It has become smaller, and that's fine because this is just a logo that I'm creating for a different project. So other than my vector image, in my example right here, we have our shape, our word art, and some PNG images from the Google image search. So we already have our vector image. So once you're done creating your vector image for your logo, our second step would be to insert our shape. So you can insert whatever shape you want depending on what you're trying to create. I'm just going to go for a circle. So go to shape in your toolbar, select shapes, and go to circle. Now let's create our circle by dragging our cursor across. There it is. Now we're just going to order it to the back of our vector image right here, send to back, and there it is. So you can adjust this to make more room for our word art later, and there we have it. So let's format this. Let's change our fill color into this one right here. Then for our border, let's just select it again, go to border color, select the color that you like. There it is. Now for the border weight, let's increase that to make it more apparent, and there it is. Now let's insert our word art. So go to insert and select word art right here. For this one, we have our text curved. And in order to do that, we're going to be doing this letter by letter. I already have a video of this, how to curve your text here in Google Slides. Again, also check that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the first letter, which is the big letter P right there. So what I'm going to do to make it easier for me and have it in the same size is I'm just going to copy this word art, paste it, double click on it to change the letter. Press enter, and there you have it. So paste again, reposition it, paste it again, and one last time, double click to change it to the letter Y and press enter. So here we have our letters or our text. Let me just align it side by side so we can easily adjust it later. Select all of our word art right here. Press and hold on to the shift key on the keyboard. Then select those letters so we can just format them. Change the font style. Let's see, go to WinPack. That's good. And now for the fill color. Let's see, what color did we use? We used the white. So again, just reselect that. Select white. And for our border color for our text, we're going to use the same color for the border of our shape. So that's the green right here. Put in our border weight into 4. And there you have it. So now we are just going to resize all of these letters. Select them all. And there you have it. Now we're going to reposition them to make it look like they're curved. So I'm just going to insert another circle right here, which will be my guide in curving my text. So there we go. Okay. Now let's adjust. Let's zoom in and adjust our text or our word art. Now I'm going to rotate this to the right. Align it a little to our circle right here. So make sure this letter is centered. That's our guide. That's our next letter. For this one, again, rotate it. Let's adjust our circle a little bit. There we go. Maybe adjust it a bit more. Make sure it's centered. Okay, now we can work with that. For our next letter, again, rotate it to the left. And for our last letter, whoops, if you made a mistake, just click on undo. And let's delete that guideline, and there you have it. So again, these are just adjustments that you can make. It's totally up to you how you want it to look like, but that's how you can curve your text here in Google Slides. Now for our final element, we're just going to insert some paw prints right here. So I'm going to go to Insert, Select Image, and search the web. You can just search for paw prints PNG or any other element or image that you're trying to do and just add a PNG at the end. This is the one that I've selected before, and I'm just going to go to Insert, and there it is. So it's in full size. I'm just going to resize it, reposition it. Again, if you make a mistake, just click on undo and you'll be able to undo that mistake. And rotate it a little to the left. There it is. Now copy that same image, paste it, reposition it to the other side, and rotate it to the right. And there you have it. We've successfully recreated the logo that we have right here. Well, close enough. And that's how to make or create a logo here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.